We are playing Undertale, but first, we are not going to find Undyne, we are going to get some food. Because last time, it did not go out. We bought nothing. Well, you didn't see last time because I did nothing last time. I ate my food, the end. Short story short, long story short, I have to, can't get any food. Sorry guys, I'm just complaining because I forgot how the hell get back. Okay, so I remember doing this over and over again. And this kept happening. We've got a new keyboard, which is the problem. Because I'm not used to this. And I have to flee every monster because I'm a noob at this. I have to get food again. At least I can just go back if I die. That's the problem because I'm going to spend like 5,000 G. I need to remember my way. I'm not a ghost, so I can't remember. I'm going to go to Thames then. Oh god. I'm going to go to Crab Apples. See how he's doing. I'm going to buy some crappy apples. And then we'll see how we go. Because you know that it's a pretty decent sushi game. So yeah, let's just get to the lines. I like to buy some of your crappy apples, sir. It increases your speed up in battle. I'm gonna do this. I have 200 because I saw my Thames. Okay. Spin. Okay. That should be enough. Now we have to make the journey. Okay. My backpack is full. I think I can do it because I have enough food. Okay. I think we got it. What? No. It's the wrong way. This way. I keep forgetting because I got it mixed up last time. I don't want to die before I even get to Undyne. Okay. Alright. Continuing on from there. I'm gonna drink a item. Oh, that's awesome. Awesome sauce. It's good that those help because it's pretty good because we're going to be going through Undyne's fight and we have a lot of them. But the problem is we're going to be fighting all these guys on our way. From now on. I'm sorry, but this is going to have to end out badly. Okay, that was exhausting and also hurtful. Hate fighting Undyne. So hard last time. Okay. Now all we need to do is just get back where we were. The crazy music will play that I started off with. And then we'll save it so we own the stuff then. Hopefully, like, I call Pappy and like, what the hell? Alright. Let's call Pappy and see his reaction. Wait, what? Oh, still. Toriel thinks we left. So it's like she doesn't answer any of my calls. Ring ring. There's no response. Yep, undying as usual. She's like Luigi. Challenge. No! God, why? Ay. At least I can survive the first. Challenge. Her bullets get. I lasted a second. Now we play. Yes! Played. She remembers something. Her attacks get a little. Oh, I'm a beast, I'm alive. Oh God. Alright, now you do this. And you have to run as fast as you can so your legs can't catch him. Okay, we're doing good. We not got hit. Yes, the face. We have to flee again. Alright. We're doing good. All you have to do for this, you have to survive. And when you get like under 10 health, you have to regenerate. Because you don't want to die. Right, now I'm going to regenerate. This. My speed boosts up. That's why it's really good for undying. Because you're going to fight her really easy. Because, yeah, if I run out of food, I'm not dying. Crab apple. Crappy apple. Right, we healed. Haha. Okay, we are surviving, everyone. We did it, guys! We did it! Oh, we didn't. Stop running. Okay, we are this. Alright, we can flee. Because she hasn't done it again. Hi, you're not gonna catch me! Can't touch this. 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 Yes! We did it! So hot. Right, because it's pacifist. We did it, guys! We did it, we did it, we did it. Yes! All you have to do is just spend 100G on crack. That's it. Then you won. Alright. Oh. Who cares? There'll probably be a lot of places there. Oh, raw guards. You guys gotta read. Sorry. Alright, they're easy because they want to be with each other. Oh no, not the riverman. I'm gonna go to the riverman and see if we can find WD Gaster. Tra-la-la, I am the riverman. Oh, yes. Off we go. Yes. We're here. Yes, crap apple guy. I missed you. I need your drinks. See ya. Let's go. Hotlands. Look at the doggo. That's so cool. Alright, we're here. Alright. We're here. Daddy! I want the Undying fight.
Oh my god. I didn't expect you to show up here so soon. I haven't showered. I'm barely dressed. I'm all mess and
You got 2 buck teeth.
hi, I'm Dr. Alphys, Asco's royal scientist. Bad guy.